Hi, my name is Marlon, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the TempMinder fridge and freezer thermometer. First, I would like for you to insert the probe into the side of the monitor. Then, I would like for you to remove the battery cover. I would like for you to move the battery from the right slot over to the left. Then replace the battery cover. Once the battery cover is replaced, I would like for you to use the pin to toggle between the Celsius and Fahrenheit. Once you have chosen your desired metric, you would then go ahead and place the monitor on your refrigerator and insert the probe inside. And that is how you set up the TempMinder fridge and freezer thermometer. Thank you.